Hello, everyone. We're here to talk about networking. And joining me today is Kevin Aselli.
Hey, Kyle.
So, Kevin, I was thinking about IGMP, and I think I can understand it, but in a larger network, do I need to be concerned about multicast traffic passing between network devices?
Oh, absolutely. Network traffic management is definitely something you want to be concerned about.
Okay, what can I do about it then?
Okay, so if I understand correctly, let's say you've got a traditional network setup, you're doing multicast, you've got it kind of like shown here where I've got a querier and I've got all my IGMP snooping going on. And we know in this particular fashion, all multicast traffic will forward to a querier. So your concern, if I got you correctly, is what happens if my multicast traffic exceeds the link capacities of these interlinking pieces of hardware. Is that correct?
Exactly.
Okay. So you're absolutely correct in thinking that this is something you want to be concerned of. What we have, or what let's call it the data world offers us, is another protocol or something we can layer on top of this, and it's called protocol independent multicast. What this does is it provides us another route feature, and that route feature does require us to change the configuration slightly. So as an example, where we set up a querier and we set up a VLAN here where all of our devices are all communicating, what we want to do is we want to now start isolating that. So as an example, we establish a VLAN. We do this much closer, let's say down the chain, closer to the devices. We create VLANs and we create queriers for each one of those VLANs. So now we're isolating the traffic to the local network hardware itself. We also, at the same time, we then establish what's called a rendezvous point. So this is like a querier for the whole network.
Okay, well, what if I want to pass multicast between these VLANs?
And that's where PIM comes in. So that's a great question. If you're, let's say, a device that's on, let's say, VLAN 1, you're a source device, and then you want to transmit your content over to a device that's in, let's say, VLAN 4, what you would do is you would issue, just like before, an IGMP request to join that multicast group. But because it's not in your queried area, it will forward that request up to the rendezvous point. And that rendezvous point will establish and route the connection between VLAN 1 and VLAN 4. So PIM, basically, if you will, to wrap this up, PIM is a routing protocol that manages multicast traffic on a large format when it's required to move multicast traffic from one VLAN to another.
Okay, thank you. That's much clearer now. Please stay tuned for more videos from CTI.